It's, you just cannot hurt this, I'm on another level. I bow down to no man because I'm a rebel. Soy uno de los meros meros, representing them disocheros. Somos puro perros con los balas por los dedos. Fieron los huevos y atacando sin miedo. Siendo lo que dijeron que no podemos, ain't no joke. It's your life that you gamble. Think twice before you ramble. Got your whole hood in shambles. Lucky Luciano's on fire. This is your last chance, you best retire. If not coming through, and you know you motherfuckers get fired upon. Make you drop to your knees, because I'm riding on my motherfucking enemies. And my homies, they got my back, and I stay ready to attack and never slacking. One motherfucker, I'll pull you bitch cause I got Mac. No one you thought that you had my back too, but you ain't shit to me. It's that Lucky Lucy, I'm coming from that big bad XP3. And what you wanna do, it's not the same old song. Thinking you could hang with me, then you dead wrong. 509 we dumping, all you levas frontin'. You ain't saying nothing, you ain't saying nothing. Let me show you something, let me show you something. Chavala, chavala, chavala. 509 we dumping. All you levas frontin'. You ain't saying nothing, you ain't saying nothing. I said you ain't saying nothing. Chavala, chavala. Levas too. Fuck all you fools. You ain't got shit on me. Like Luciano from that XP3. Chavala. Leva. Fucking with the best to catch a hot one to the chest. So don't you test. I got the Smith & West. Leva.